Hello everybody. So I just opened this new channel which is emotional and practical fact about crypto and the Bitcoin. So as of now there is no video. So what I am thinking, so whatever the trading I am doing right now, so I am this in this crypto industry or maybe that blockchain and crypto knowledge. So I started in 2018 and after that I left and again I started in 2021. So after that basically I have started some small amount of trading and what I want to do, I just want to share whatever the trading I am doing and whatever the knowledge I am acquiring as a part of this particular trading, etc. So I just want to make some videos and share across, but this is not any advice or trading advice or maybe the you can say that financial advice. So it's just that I want to make some videos and I want to share my knowledge and whatever I am doing. So I was thinking that what I can share, because I am someone that who is new to make such videos. Then I thought that okay, let me share my experience with the Phantom crypto coin, so which I started trading few days back. So at the very beginning, so when I initially invested on Phantom, so that time it was kind of bullish and I made some profit on that investment. But what happened, so when the Bitcoin price came down, started coming down, so at that time for a certain period it the Phantom coin price went a bit high. So that time I bought around some lump sum 500 coin, I guess I was what I remember. So but after that I am stuck at that position. So whatever I invested, then so basically I am using the WazirX as of now for my trading. So I am not trading in initially I bought only 150, so it was kind of 16,000 INR, and I made profit on top of that around 600 rupees. Next day when I woke up, so it is 133 rupees at 133. So whatever, so initially I was not investing much on that coin. Then what happened, then I made some profit. So whatever I bought, so I sold at 140, so I made 7 rupees of profit per coin, and it's on the same day that time. Then I left. So again I bought at the dip, it was around 120 yep, so 108. So you can see here, sorry, so I think you can't see, but yep, so here it is. So I bought at 108, and that time I invested very some high amount. So earlier I was investing around 16 to 17,000. Then I started investing on that coin. First I bought at 108, so I made around, here you can see that 2,400 profit on a single transaction, and it is kind of on the same day. And in the interval of 5 minutes. So here you can see the 2317, and here I sold at 2322. So what is the profit here, if you see? So it's 2,200 INR, and I sold it. And what happened, so the very next day actually, so I thought that okay, so it won't go high again. So I saw that it went high again, it went up to 143. But my bad luck that I was trading, I was doing the spot trading. So that time I was not able to catch this coin, I was not able to make profit. So whatever the profit I got, it's around 2,000. But again I thought that okay, that very next day I thought that okay, let's buy some more. So I bought around 525 coin at 143 INR, and I sold immediately with 2.5 rupees profit per coin. So I made around 1,200 INR. So that time I think this coin was doing good. It was going up and down continuously. So what I started that, okay, so I was trying to buy at the dip and sell at the high. So this is the last transaction I made, which gave me some profit. So I bought at 137 this particular coin, 555 coin. So it is around 76,000 INR. And immediately so I bought 6:8 p.m. and immediately I was looking into the chart that, okay, so I thought that how much it can move, but yeah, so I missed the movement actually. So it went high more than 144 rupees, but I thought that, okay, so it will be the best time if I can go out of this phantom net trading for the day. So I bought at 137 and I sold at 144. So I made 7 rupees profit per coin. So if you look the profit margin here, so I made around 4,000 INR profit from this single transaction. So I sold it, but yeah, so I think after that so that is the last transaction that I made profit. Then it came down once again at 133. So I thought that, okay, so I am going to continue the same, but I was not able to do that. So I placed some order, so which was fulfilled at 134, and some order was fulfilled at 136. On an average, you can say it's 136. So I invested all my money on a single token. So on that day, then I thought that, okay, it will be down or coming down, or maybe it will be coming up. So immediately it started falling. What is my fault here? My fault is that I made profit on an average in 2 days around 12,000, 10 to 12,000 from my all investment. So I made profit on an average 500 in INR per day. But again, it was spot trading, not the continuous trading or long-term trading. So that is the point where I thought that, okay, so I looked into the news, etc., etc. So it seemed that, okay, so it will go high in a long run. But as I don't have much investment, so I was doing the spot trading kind of that, okay, so I will look into the chart for a particular day, and whatever the profit I can make, I will invest my all balance on a particular single token, and I will sell that with some certain profit. But my mistake is that I was not able to sell on time. I thought that, okay, so it won't go down much, maybe it will recover with time. But if you look right now the price is 103 INR, and I bought at 136 on an average. So I am in loss 33 rupees per coin. So I bought around 500 coins, so it's around 15,000 rupees. So whatever profit I made during that time, so I am already lost that, and on top of that, from my main balance, it's already I am in loss. So one thing I could have done, that I could have splitted my whole balance and kept for other trading actually. So that I have not done that time. So right now, after that, so I am stuck, so I am not able to trade really, because I don't want to lose it. So maybe that you can say that, okay, so you could have sell that, I could have sell that at some point when it was around 120 or 118. But I thought that, okay, so if I sell that coin after some time, I know, so this coin will come will grow once again. So I am just waiting for that one. So all I need to do that I need to wait. But as a result, I am not able to trade right now. So that is one drawback. So if I am not investing on a coin, so which is not giving me profit, maybe it can give me 1%, 2% or 3%. So maybe the whatever the transaction fee is here, so it's on top of that. If I can make 2% per transaction, so it's enough. But one thing that I should not invest everything on a single coin, and so that after that if it comes down, I won't be able to trade. So that happened actually. So after 29 September actually, so today is 18th September, so it's almost 9 days I am waiting. So I can see that lots of trading is happening here. So people are buying at deep, and they are selling at they are keeping 2 rupees per coin and they are selling. So it's mean that they are able to continuously, they are basically looking continuously. So for me it's not possible to invest and look continuously. So what I can do that, okay, so I can buy, I can sell all of the tokens. So whatever I will have right now, so if I look into the current highest price, so I'll get around 60,000. But initially I invested 80,000, so it will be something I will be in loss. So I don't want to do that. So rather it will be good for me if I can wait for maybe another week, so it will be bullish again. So I definitely feel that it will be bullish again. So maybe it will be I need some time. So this is the graph, so it will take some time, and yep, I think so. So all I want that, okay, so I am not going to invest further, but I am not going to lose what I invested on a good coin. So this coin is having some future, I guess. Maybe it will take some time for me to make up the loss and have some gain. So yeah, so I am just looking this September to go away, and in October, maybe first week or second week, I think I can recover my loss from this coin. Or maybe my takeaway is that I already made some profit from that coin when the market is not stabilized. So Bitcoin price was continuously going up and down, but still I made some profit from my investment, but I was not able to stop at certain time and move to other coin. So that is one thing that if I see that, okay, some coin is at high and maybe by chance I made some profit, but yeah, so I should stop spot trading on that coin. So I'll look into the volume and the growth and whatever the percentage change happen over maybe 15 days or 20 days. Based on that I will invest. So let's see if I change my investment to another coin by selling this particular phantom coin with loss, and if I can recover my loss and make further profit. So I'll create another video and will share. So yeah, so this is the first video I am going to post on this coin with my experience. So let me know if you have invested or if you were stuck, and how if you are able to overcome your loss.